So it begins. Lily's going to New York today, but I gotta go plow all day. So Wally's all nice and tight. My snow gear. It's 2 hours into the storm. It's about 9:30 a.m. Truck's all packed up, ready to go plowing. I don't even know what Lily's doing. I don't know if she's on her way to New York yet, but I don't know what time they're gonna shut down the trains. I hope you're alright, you two.
Blurry. Damn it. It's still blurry. No. Made it. Kim doesn't want to be on film. We made it through the blizzard. Just gotta go see. Damn you, Nemo. Gotta go see Porter now, of course. I'm not showing myself though. See how I'm doing that.
You're a little cheater.
Team Z.
Hi. Hi.
4 hours. 2 feet coming. 6 hours in. Come on. It looks like a paper bag. Dad and I just got to the plow site. So far it's not too bad. So I got the truck all ready to go. Wally's up. Plow's ready to go. 10 hours into the storm. Time to eat dinner. Wow, it's almost like 6 inches. Huh? You dropped it?
No, I didn't drop it.
Beamer's covered. Beamer, the station wagon looks like a van. Dinner time. Bacon wrapped meatloaf. Look at that thing.
Make sure that bank is clear. Go outside. Make sure the bank is clear from time to time. Because we do expect
Weaved it. That looks good. Round 2. Mom made us dinner. So now we're off. The snow's so high. I guess the worst is about to come, so back down the plowing. 12 hours exactly into the storm. People are out in it. Oh, snow's coming. Pretty lights they put up.
This guy jogging.
Well, we're back down to plow again. It looks like we didn't even plow yet. I want to see lightning. Huh?
I'm sure you will.
You think so? Alright, back to Wally. Update. Almost 8 o'clock. Situation is, there's too much snow right now for only 8 o'clock. The little Wally can't keep up. She's working hard. But the door's falling off! So we gotta try to bungee it. Oh. Door closed. 10:30 at night. It's well over a foot now. Trying to keep up with it, but once we plow it, it just automatically just drops another 6 inches, another 6 inches, another 6 inches. I wonder what Lily and Kim's doing. Probably nothing that has to do with this. 15 before 12. This is the road, dude. It's so nuts. Trying to go get some gas, but all the gas stations are all dried up, and none of the roads are plowed. Just mounds of snow. Update on the 2013 blizzard. People are really trying to drive just like I am to go get gas. And literally people are walking in the path of your tires, so you have to beep at them. People are trying to actually go somewhere with that. Look at this. Everywhere. Chaos. This guy don't know where the fuck he's going. These guys are plowing. Are you guys plowing? They ain't going nowhere. How many inches we get?
25.8 3 hours ago.
Jesus. Alright, we gotta be at least 30. Oh, that's.
Yeah, I get you going.
Oh yeah, hammer.
How's that? Ready? Tell your niece you were born on a blizzard. Mother of blizzard.
Yeah, dude. Alright. Homemade waffles and strawberries.
You know what? I'm just gonna stay still because that's not so pretty walking like that. But
Oh yeah. We're fine. I got my son the chauffeur.
if you're trying to get around, walking is probably the best mode of transportation at this point because the plows were not able to keep up with
No
the
one's
snow.
getting nowhere. Alright. So the situation now is I need a hydraulic oil for Wally. But there's 30 inches of snow I'm trucking through. I'm exhausted. Oh God.
Which dinosaur watching?
Peabody Museum.
Me and Grandpappy did the storm of 2013.
Me and Grandpappy. Not bad. That's it. We're all done plowing. All done being wet. Now it's time for Lily to come home because we miss you. Still people that never picked up their cars yet. This guy left his car in the middle of the intersection. He's a bright one. We out here. The struggle is real. Where are we?
Yup and shup.
Because it's the only place open.
Only place we can eat.
Only place that's gonna fill our bellies tonight.
Ladies jellies.
Make sure you get it. Vanilla Coke.
Little vanilla cokes.
Crackers from Vermont. Cheddar from Cabot. Jelly. Your jelly.
Species fight. What the fuck was that? You're one of those dogs that can see
Oh my
ghosts,
God.
right? You'll protect me?
I have to pee. But what if aliens get me?
Oh my
We don't
God.
need nightmares
So
about the
good.
Human centipede. Now I'm gonna have a nightmare about the human centipede.
Keeping it classy.
God damn it, marbles.
Uno. Dos.
Oh my God. When my honey's away, porter honey makes me dinner.
I cook better than her anyway.
I know. You're off.
So we just got home from New York. It was a crazy blizzard. I really didn't vlog much. But we're home and this is like Operation Get Kim's car out of the snow because it's been here through the blizzard. And Kim has this tiny little shovel and Vinny has a big one.
Yeah, I'm helping.
Look at all of this snow. It's the ground. So crazy. New York hardly got anything. But the good news is, I don't know if you guys can see that, that is another car stuck in the snow. So Kim's in pretty good shape. Thanks to Vinny. We're using those like little, we call them Wally. Vinny has one to get rid of all the snow, and then that big machine over there, if you guys can see. Oh, Kim's making moves. Kim's making moves. Oh, 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 oh. So close!
You do the fans too?
Uh-huh, both sides.
Oh.
Putting Lily's computer back together.
ESD safe.
Yeah. I'm just gonna look at these keys.